Hey friends, if you wish to enable WebGL 2.0 on Microsoft Edge, then please watch this video. So there's a path which is edge colon backslash backslash flags. Okay, I will copy paste it in the description section of the video. All you need to do is go to this path and search for WebGL. Okay, and then change it from disabled to enabled. Okay, that's it, and then restart the browser. That will enable WebGL 2.0. And yes, you also need to have the hardware acceleration on. So click on these three dots here, select settings, search for acceleration, and then you can make sure that the switch is on for use graphic acceleration when available. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.